bite na, the upper one.
The sound, see?
Manjumal boys. Now you will do push-ups, no?
No.
Why? Especially if it is raining, it's a bad option to come here. Hey Bhagwan, ये क्या है? This stretch is very tough. Was about to fall down. Full were holding my bike, otherwise.
You have all that.
We are on Pulumalai. It's worth coming such kind of adventures on the weekends.
Begging for Amma, give one chance.
We are here till late night just to witness this. I need help.
Ramya ma'am roasted me like anything.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderum 2.0. Good morning everyone. It's Saturday and I just got an invite from my cult fitness trainers for a weekend ride. It's around 7:30 am now and I just left home after having my first cup of tea. I have slowly started investing in some important gear for my rides. This time I got myself a Vyattara tank bag which is a perfect for KTM bikes. It's super handy and fits just right. I almost got heart attack when this happened. We decided to gather at Cult Fit Gym before starting our first ride together. We bid farewell to those who weren't joining us and set off for the day. Karthik shared the route map with us, making sure everyone followed the same path. It helped us to keep the track of the ride. Ashwin had to stop and fill up petrol. So in the meantime, I put on my sunglasses since my helmet doesn't have a sun visor and today it is extremely hot. We plan to find a nearby breakfast spot before continuing our ride. A quick stop for some food and then we will be back on the road again. Our first stop was Hosur, but I couldn't spot 3 of them for the entire stretch. I honestly thought I was heading the wrong way. Turns out they were just cruising ahead and I was the one lagging behind. It was such a relief when I finally spotted them. After that, we decided to share our live locations in the grove so we could all track each other. We set up the map for our next destination, which is Krishnagiri Dam. I reinstalled my GoPro mount on my SMK helmet, but I am still struggling to get the right angles. Unfortunately, I didn't notice that the mic wasn't placed properly when I used media mode, so bear with me as I adjust the things along the way. There were so many road diversions along the route and the traffic was so much. It really slowed us down, but we kept moving forward. This auntie was so happy when I spoke to her. Even though we didn't share a common language, we still managed to connect. It was such a heartwarming moment. I have to admit, I get really scared on highways. Many vehicles switch lanes without using indicators, which makes it quite nerve-wracking for me. If you take the highway, you will head towards Kanyakumari, but for our destination, we needed to take the service road and turn right. Don't rely on Google Maps near Krishnagiri. We found ourselves riding the same roads over and over. Thankfully, we asked some locals for help to finally reach to dam. We are in KRP dam. Where is dam, Karthik? I eat fish. You are vegetarian?
No, for a few days because
Why? Why?
stars are going on. No?
What?
Stars.
Okay. Oh, 2 vegetarians, 2 fruit bowls you have to order.
You are vegetarian?
No, not
Hey bro.
just for these few days. No.
This is KRP Dam. The photo shoots are happening. Jump! He is the actual photographer, but he is smart.
What?
He's not taking the camera out,
I can
otherwise.
take the camera out, but there's no point of taking in this harsh
Yeah.
light, right? We can go there and take it.
We are going to relax for a while. I saw. KRP Dam is adjacent to a park where you can spot many deers. It is such a serene place, and the sight of the deers adds to the charm of the area. Oh, he got this.
I didn't catch
Today's
it.
lunch is done.
Expert is there.
Not today's lunch. Gipudi.
No, I think that one will bite. No,
This won't bite. If
that
you hold like
one will bite. Na, the upper one.
this one.
No, it is about to come and bite.
ये दूसरे
See, one more.
ए तंबी
One
वो
more.
एक और आ गया
वो हाथ से निकाल रहा है वहाँ से.
Dikao? Kabri is finding with his own hands. He's not even scared, man.
The sound. See?
Hit. Do keep doing. But these are Manjumal boys.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get
कौन से पत्थर पे बैठूं?
अरे वो बेंच पे बैठो तुम
Bench is also nicely arranged for all these things.
बेंच पे बैठो
Photographers, one observer.
confusing like what's going on
You tell her pose, how to pose.
I don't know I forgot
but they all disappeared. They will let you down.
I've done that too in past हाँ clean I can
Now
do.
snatch 17.5 kg dumbbell single hand I do.
This is perks of coming with cult people. They are having
17.5
discussion.
kg dumbbell I do. पूछो इससे 15 का तो normal 17.5 is my PR. What do you think? Don't go on this small tummy, okay? Wait, it will go inside.
Now you will do push-ups, no?
no
Why?
Why
हाँ Krishna will do
हाँ क्यों
Let's see how many he
नहीं
does.
अभी मैं देखती हूँ कितने that to diamond okay you are तो trainer.
Vegetarian is touching.
Huh? What's not good?
Vegetarian is touching.
You should be proud at least vegetarian is touching.
Rice, bro. How is rice? You just told it is okay, okay.
It's good
Ashwin and Purnima, how is food?
How's it? Oh, good. Whatever we eat in hungry river.
jalebi this is not good fish name is
This fish name is jalebi, and we are having jalebi. When I say it is too hot, trust me, it is 35 degrees. Since it was scorching hot, we decided to relax in the park for 3 hours.
Cause we got love.
And just look at my helmet, it's covered in the birds' droppings. This side, no.
We got love. I wanna
Sometimes I would stand while riding, and let me tell you, cruising between these green fields is just awesome. The fresh air and beautiful scenery make it an unforgettable experience.
We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together.
And from here, the real adventure starts. I can't wait to share what comes next.
हाँ I can shoot ना. हाँ चलो. Thank you. Road is very bad. This is off-roading. I'm coming. This is off-roading yaar. This is proper off-roading, huh? So much of temple crowd. Thank you. Come on. Where are we going to? Bit scared. Oh. Anytime the bike can skid. Especially if it is raining. It's a bad option to come here. It's a proper mud. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit. हे भगवान ये क्या है? ऑफ रोडिंग हो गया मेरा. Shit.
I was scared about you, so only we
I was like, my god, I thought I'm gone. It's too low. Huh?
This stretch is very tough. Like I almost was about to fall down for a couple of times. My god, the roads are scary. There is one more curve there. Usually people parks their vehicles there and go up, but I told with so much of confidence I can take it. But what happened, Karthik? Now I was almost about to fall down. I asked for help and people were holding my bike, otherwise
You have all that.
so then he is riding my bike. We have parked his bike there, so we are only going on 3 bikes now. My god.
today. This uncle have got his Jupiter on top of this hill. What is this place name, Karthik? Bolumalai. We are on Bolumalai Fort, right? Bolumalai Fort, and look at the view. We are hi Krishna and Karthik. Where? Joshi. Hello. And hello Ashwin. My god, the sky is so nice. The colors, mostly it is going to rain in some time.
Cold January, up before dawn, down to the Knox mine we've been digging on. No other light but the lamp on my head, and my mama told me that I wound up dead, but there's bills to pay, and the rent's due today, so I...
Trust me, today's ride is really hectic for me. I was under the impression this is just a ghat section, but you know, there are no roads, and so I had to do a bit of off-roading. That 3 times I thought I would fall, but first I have managed. Bike was tilting, I could manage. The second time I saw too much of sand ahead, and knew that this is not my case and I needed help, and I immediately asked Karthik if you could help me. So he had actually got on from his bike and he moved my bike little ahead, and I had to continue further. And after that, so there is only concrete road, someone told, to reach to the top. So I was like, okay, it's just a concrete road. I said, yeah, let's go. And the first turn itself, and it was not so clear. There were stones, and I had to take it this way. And while doing that, my left leg is completely down. I was actually not able to reach to the base, and my right leg was fine, and I was unable to accelerate and press the brake at the same time because my both legs were down and I couldn't use the rear brake. So I had asked some strangers for help, and so they were actually helping. I was about to fall down completely. The 4 men were holding my bike, and then Krishna have come, taken my bike, and so we actually parked his bike down, and we have come till top on my bike. I was so scared. Now also to go down, I'm like skeptical, so I asked their help. In couple of places I need their help, and then after that I can manage. It's worth coming such kind of adventures on the weekends instead of sitting at home or playing some sports. Searching for Karthik?
You have changed.
What are you searching for?
Begging for Amma, give one change.
These people are trying to give some money to the temple and get prasad in return. So please be successful and come back with puliogre.
I'm rich.
Okay, go. Huh? Spark is having fun today. are here till late night just to witness this view. This is first time me doing night adventure on Spark. I am so proud that I came down on my own. I thought of taking help, but those deep curves and this one, right? I mean, sand, I would bit risky because if your tire goes on this, no? So you should build pace. I feel you should this way. I was about to fall down here because there was a stone stuck now. That's this place. Wow. We are not following any map. We are just following each other, staying together since it is too dark. I'm very scared of it. Oh, I need help. Oh, thanks, yaar. Yeah. I applied front brake. Okay. Hello, all three. What happened? Okay. Hey Ashwin, how did you feel this
Awesome,
ride?
awesome. Really nice. Karthik, say something about your
He is the marshal. He is the bike marshal.
Me?
me.
Thank you so
It
much.
was a very good trip, and Ramya ma'am roasted me like anything. Is it na? Correct, right?
You roasted me back also,
I didn't
na?
roast you, ma'am.
Babre.
I could have, but I didn't.
Actually.
Yeah?
Because of him, this trip have happened. Thank you so much, Karthik. We are so blessed. Hopefully, we will
Hopefully
ride.
next time we are going for a camping, na? Like,
Yeah, so we are planning to buy some more tents and we will go for a camping. 1 night or 2 nights maybe. He will cook. He will cook, no?
Me? Yeah, I'll cook very good, but no one will be ready to eat it.
I will eat. I will eat.
Here are our 4 bikes. We wrapped up with a quick dinner on the way. It was just what we needed to refuel before the next leg of our adventure.
We are filling petrol for the last time today. We are filling petrol.
Out of nowhere, it started raining. I had to stop and make sure everything was safe and secure. It caught us by surprise, but we managed to handle it.
My God, what to say? This is my first group ride. Trust me, it will be so memorable journey for me. I experienced every single thing today. Actually, we were all planned to go in a single row that we will follow Karthik. So what happened? So there was a lorry in front of us, and we supposed to cross. And those 3 crossed, and by the time I was about to take the turn, so there was a cat crossing the road, so I had to stop. By the time I crossed couple of lorries, I don't see my friends at all. Switched on the maps and I had taken some main road, so I think that was the wrong route and they went into the other road. I was so scared because I was alone, so imagining the haunted things and even whatever is happening in India, will I be safe and everything. And on top of it, there were 2 very big potholes I fell into. Not bike falling into the pothole, but it hit took. And my back is like literally paining, and I was scared that nothing should happen to bike at this moment because I don't see anybody on the road apart from me.
cherry on the cake, and it started raining heavily on the way. I couldn't even find a safe place to get down from bike and no getting to rain gear. Somehow, with God's grace, trust me, I got some place and I had to change. But the best part, I have experienced a solo ride also. The fear of crossing the roads during nights for the first time, and everything is vanished. Now I am so confident maybe one day I can hit the roads alone. And trust me, since we have been riding in the rain for almost 3 hours, I don't feel even my hands. But the worst part is I couldn't see road at all because of the high beam lights. I was like, oh boy, opening my visor, okay, look at the road and close the visor because rain keeps hitting into the eyes. It's very surprised for me that I have reached my home and I did it. But believe it or not, I reached home before the others. They tried taking a shortcut, but it turned out to be a total failure. Thankfully, with a big thanks to Almighty, I am wrapping up this video with my group ride journey. Thank you once again for watching till the end.